Now I'm live already. Can you all see in Facebook?
I think we
Yes.
can
Yeah.
because there is
Yeah,
writing
can.
live
Yes.
Yeah,
Good.
good.
at the corner there.
Okay. Then
Yeah,
we can
means
start
already
our
live.
presentation now. Okay. Good evening, everyone. We are from group God 3. I'm the leader of the group. My name is Pang Wei Min.
Yeah, I'm the member. My name is Chua Yiling. You can call me Jeku Chua.
My name is Ashwini. You can call me Ash.
Okay. So today we are going to present our group assignment. So the topic is new knowledge, experience, and skill that we learn in our course. So I will start to share the slide now. Okay. So this is our topic. And the new knowledge that we learn in this 14 weeks is all about the useful multimedia. So from all this multimedia, we can categorize into 5 groups as following. First one is social media. The second one is live streaming tools. The third is animation studio. The fourth one is video maker. And the last is graphic design tools. So the example for social media is the social media that we very familiar, Facebook and YouTube. And the live streaming tools that we learn in this course is Melon app and OBS. The animation studio that we learn in this course is Plotagon, whereas the video maker that we learn in this course is Lumen 5 and also Screencast. Last but not least, the graphic design tools that we learn in this course is Canva. So I will describe some description about this knowledge. All right. So for social media, it can use to build the brand awareness and also can use to share information. So in this course, we create our own Facebook page and YouTube channel so that we can share information for the student or to benefit the education field. So we learned that we can make good use of this platform for our education. And then we also learn the live streaming tools in this course, which is the Melon app and also OBS. So Melon app is the apps that I use to live in this Facebook page right now. Yeah, we explore this app in our class. So OBS, also known as Open Broadcaster Software. It is free and open source software, and you have to download it. You have to download it on your laptop, and you can use it without internet. Whereas Melon app is a live streaming app. That means you have to use it with internet. Next, we also learn about the animation studio, and the example is Plotagon. So in Plotagon, it is a very fun software because you can create the animated video using the character that you want and the scene that you want. For example, you can choose a doctor, a teacher, a student, or any character that you like in this Plotagon software. Then we also learn the video maker in this course. So we use Lumen 5 to create the video. So this application is a platform that is very intelligent. Yeah, you can use it to create very engaging video within 5 minutes. Yeah, and then the screencast can use to edit video, or you can use it to record your screen, because some computer they don't have the software to record the screen, so you can use this screencast to record. Then next one is the graphic design tools. So We use Canva because Canva we can design lots of graphic. There's a lot of template in this website, and then we design our own logo and footer using this because logo and footer can represent our identity and can make us different from everyone else. So I will pass the stage to Yiling to continue the presentation.
Okay, thank you, Jakupang, for the details presentation and introduction of the multimedias. Of course, except of the multimedias that we learn through this course, we also have some theories and concept that we learn from this course. So first one is a multimedia intelligence. When we entered for the first class, the lecturer asked us to do a test, and the test will show you the result to see whether you are in which intelligence. So there are 8 categories. So there's a theory of multimeter intelligence. So other than this, we also learn about the ARCS model of motivations design from John, if not mistaken. So this is about the student motivations. A is stand for attention, R is relevance, and C is confidence. The last one, S, is certifications. So okay, next. Okay, we also learn about at the end of the class, we also learn about the psychology of colors. Different colors that will bring different meanings. So you can use the color, the concept of color, the psychology to attract your students by doing the colorful resources. Okay, other than that, that is also important to know the Creative Commons. We have copyright and also copyleft. So you have to know what is a law that you must know how to differentiate is copyright or copyleft, and what resource you can take and what you should not. Okay, next. Okay, so I will mainly focus on the experience that we use these 5 categories tools. Okay, first is social media. Just now, Jakupang already mentioned about social media is Facebook and YouTube, right? So in those social media, we can have the experience and knowledge sharing. So we can transfer the knowledge to others by doing the infographic in Facebook, upload to Facebook, or we do the video, upload to YouTube, whatever we know, then we make it to a very simple ways and transfer the knowledge to others. So number 2 is a live streaming tools. Also, this is one of the live streaming tools, which is we use a Melons to have a presentation like this. So we can interact with the audience or the viewers in Facebook because this is connect to whole world. You can connect to YouTube, connect to Twitter, connect to Facebook like now. So we can interact. Yeah, whether you got any audience want to comment, then we can answer it. And also the OBS also offer an tools which is video recordings. So there are many things that we explore through the apps and software. So number 3, animation studio, which is my favorite, is Protagon videos. Protagon videos is something we can play and make a very interactive cartoons, or maybe it's a 3D lah. It's 3D one. So attractive is very attractive, and the student can use their creativity and innovation to create something, and also for their visualizations. So number 4 is Video Maker. We use a very simple tools, Lumen 5. It is very helpful and very easy to use, really, because we usually use it for summaries, to summarize for some roommate documents, so you can easily to read and very fast. Okay, number 5, graphic design tool. Graphic design tools is also we use very creativity to design it. For example, Canva. We use a Canva to design a thank you card. We use our Canva to design an infographic, presentation, and video. So it is very easy and simple to use. Okay, next slide. Okay, there is also some there are also some experiences of multimedia integration in the classroom. So we found out that the multimedia integration is really have a very good experience to the teacher and also students. First, it's very helpful in student understanding because this is a visualize. Okay, it's a visualizations can help the student to understand the concept more deeply, and also it's very attractive, make the students focus on learning because it's interactive and motivate students to learn more. The applications and software that we learn through the course is very user friendly and easy to use. So the student will be able to experience the fun, and I think all what we learn in this course is very suitable for the education field. It developed many practical skills, including creating presentations, learning to differentiate reliable from unreliable sources on the internet, and also the last one, maintaining the proper online and ethicals. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Now I will pass to my friends Ashwini to continue with the presentation of skills. Thank you.
Thank you, Chegu Yiling. So now, to sum up, from the beginning, Chegu Pang went through the knowledge we learned from all these multimedia, and Chegu Yiling went through with us the um, what Chegu Yiling, what did you go through with us?
Experience.
Yeah,
Experience.
thank you. Experience. So now I'm going through with you all the skills we gain from all this multimedia software and all this application. So our learning process became more meaningful after using various multimedia. For example, Plotagon. We learn how to create our YouTube channel. So therefore, we gain opportunity to develop skills. Example, multimedia, digital literacy, creativity, and even the thinking process and practicing writing skill. Writing skill is mainly for Plotagon, where we have to write down the scripts for the conversation happening between the two parties. So we gain critical thinking skills. We develop habits of working through challenging tasks and employing creative problem solving through our activities and example. So our lecturer Dr. Sharir gave us a lot of challenging tasks. Our assignment is all to do with basically we are learning a lot from all these to try to figure out. For example, this melon app also, it took us quite some time to figure it out how to link it to our Facebook link, but somehow we managed, thanks to Chegu Pang and Ling, and it's successful, so everything is going well. Independence and self-regulation. We develop abilities to be independent and regulating. Why we say that? Because when we were given the task, we were independent. We had to make sure we are up to date and to finish the task activity during the class. We will have a tentative program schedule where doctor will give us. So it's like we have to, in order to continue, we have to do the activity. So at our own pace, we had to make choices and take responsibility for working out and what we need to know and where to find the knowledge. So for example, Plotagon, we had to make choices like what scene we want to do. For example, YouTube, we have to figure out what we want our audience to see when they come to our page, what attracts them. So from all this, we gain critical thinking and also independence. Next slide. So we also again improve design skill, getting people's feedback to our work appear to support a greater awareness of audience needs and perspective. For example, during our Facebook live, we have to go live, so there were comments, feedback, and also feedback from our lecturer on how to improve our how to say our video. So this is a skill we develop. Multimedia gives us choice about how best to convey a given idea. Example, through text, video and animation. Creative skill. We were encouraged to create our own graphics, image, and video clips. Like Chegu Pang went through with us, we had to go, create our own logo, our footer. So when we create something, we have to figure out how to present our idea by using our imagination. So this is a really how to say important skill we gain, because we have to use our imagination and creativity. For example, the logo, we had to make it unique, one of a kind. We got the template through Canva, but it's how we want to change it, make the font bigger, color. So this one we have to use our creativity skills. Time management skills. We develop time management in planning and controlling the amount of time we spend on the specific task. So for this assignment, in class we were given, every week we were given a task to do. So we had to time ourselves, like we have to take half an hour, and then we will continue with our lesson with Dr. Shariel. So everything we have to time ourselves in order to the class to continue. And next slide. Something went wrong. Give us a video. Cikgu Pang, next slide. Okay, to sum up, in conclusion, through this course, we were able to apply the principle of instructional design in development of multimedia products, create multimedia elements in the production of interactive online multimedia products as teaching and learning materials, develop technical skills through multimedia software, learn in producing education multimedia product. So Cikgu Pang and Cikgu Ling are now teaching, whereas I'm not. I'm not a school teacher. I'm doing home tuition. But we believe we all have gained a lot from all these multimedia software application, where we can use it in our class. To be honest, I really learned a lot, and I also know Chegu Ling and Chegu Pang also has learned a lot. So I think that is all from me. So thank you, and this is GOT3.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you Ashwini, thank you Pang.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone who was watching.
Yeah, stay safe.
Oh no, Cikgu Pang, we can't hear you.
Cikgu Pang, we cannot hear you.
Cikgu Pang,
Just really cannot hear you whether you mute yourself.
are you mute?
Maybe your line connection, is it?
But we can see her.
Yeah, I think we can end the live because we've already
Okay.
finished the presentations. Okay. See you all next time.
Bye. Thank you.